Transform your 2019 to 2023 Toyota Corolla's dashboard with the Ainavi 12.3-inch multimedia system, a 2K powerhouse that keeps all your original features intact. Flagship performance, Qualcomm's 665 8-core chip, 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage handle multitasking like a dream. Built-in cooling fan prevents overheating during long drives. Stunning visuals, 12.3-inch 2K screen, 2400 by 900, with ultra-slim 7mm bezels. Watch navigation and videos in cinema clarity. Seamless wireless, CarPlay and Android Auto connect when you start the car. Use Waze, Spotify, or calls without cables. Zero compromise install. Custom-fit frames/cables retain your Corolla's original rear camera, JBL audio, and hybrid display. No rewiring needed. Steering wheel controls work instantly. Adjust volume or tracks without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety meets convenience. Future-proof, HDMI output, fiber optic audio, and enhanced Wi-Fi antenna. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. For Corolla E210 owners who refuse to choose between cutting-edge tech and OEM reliability, this is the definitive 2025 solution. Explore it on Aliexpress, where innovation meets your Toyota's soul.